FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Royal AM 1. I'm joined by some fans. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
Yeah, Samson Seveta, former Mamelodi Sundowns national chairperson.
Yeah.
Supporters national chairperson. Yeah, but we are playing alone, as you know. we used to celebrate. Now we are not even celebrating because it's a daily bread.
Yeah.
DSTV got only 2 teams, Sundowns and others.
Yeah.
So others are not ready to participate. So maybe if Chiefs and Pirates and Swallows can cluster and make one Soweto team, can be much better to try to challenge us.
Yeah.
But we tried to help Al Ali last week, over weekend to go to Mamelodi to Sunnyside police station to lay charges against Themba because he was abusing them. But the unfortunate part, they don't understand English. So we're waiting for Royal AM management. Then we must go and charge Themba now because what he was doing there, that one is a total abuse. You can't abuse other people like this. It was a serious allegation. He must be charged. We can't take it anymore. So as Sundowns, you know, I used to make prize for myself supporters after every win. Nowadays I'm broke, so I can't make it anymore because the money is gone. They win week in, week out. So we don't know, but the league is gone. Number 2, I think. How much is the difference between 1 and 2?
I think 20 points.
23. So do you call it a competition? Are we competing with anybody here?
No.
We play alone, so we just come here to push our time because the win is already there. The league is here already. So we nothing else. So, but we talk to surprise. Maybe can bring the multi-choice boys to come and finish the remaining games because they will win massively like this ones. Because there is no team in South Africa. We are alone. I'm very sorry for Chiefs and Pirates fans because the unfortunate part is if they are all as old as I am, sugar, diabetic, and high blood is after them because the stress will kill them.
Okay, my brother, I heard you mention Themba Zwane. Was that your man of the match?
That is the only man of the match for the previous game and this one. He's there already as a man of the match. Yes, so he must be charged. Maybe they can lock him and then the magistrate will take a decision about him because it's harassment. You can't play that way like you're playing alone. There is nobody in the field.
Boys against men.
Yes, boys against men. So we can't allow that. So if Themba can be charged, maybe. They can try their best because even others will be afraid to be charged as Themba is. Because Marcelo Allende, you can see, is nearly there. Neo Maema, Tapelo Morena, Cassius, Shalulile, they are killing other boys. It's like the crash kids versus the university ones. So what do you mean? What are you expecting?
There's nothing to be expected, really.
Great R and university graduate. So we are just coming here for our team, but we don't have nothing to watch. Because there is no challenge, there is nothing.
I know, I can definitely see as a spectator.
KO every week. KO every week, playing alone. There's no body here.
Okay, my brother, you said it all. Is there anything that you'd like to tell Mamelodi Sundowns supporters at home that are watching?
Let them enjoy themselves. Carry on relying behind the team. Love Mamelodi Sundowns. That is the good thing to do. Never forget, to support a football club is a choice. But to be Mamelodi Sundowns fan is a calling.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you.